Are you heading out? taking the computer and the internet with you?
You're taking our internet with you?
Well, yeah, because the internet's not good here.
Oh.
And the computer's slow already. Like, it's already like...
Oh.
And
we won't need it, I guess.
You could do your homework in here. However, one, I think it's going to be good for you to get out. And two, it's cramped in here and we've got a lot we're doing in here for today only.
Yeah.
Like, we'll get things situated today and then we'll see where you feel like doing homework.
I don't care if she uses it next time either, too. That's fun.
Yeah. Well, good morning and welcome to the first official day here in the Keys. We got in yesterday. The kids are all off doing their thing this morning, which is perfect because Joel and I have the chance to just go through and get things a little better organized and cleaned after, driving across the country in this thing. We can't get started soon enough. Always number one on the agenda, laundry, always. Basically, I'm going to start on this end of the trailer and work my way to that end of the trailer. But as you can see, with the doors fully opened, that's how much room we have to get in on that side of the closet. And then when you slide the door open, you have about this much room. So it feels tight. It feels like there's just stuff, unorganized. At least this stuff stayed hung up. That's nice. It may not look like much of a difference, but there's nothing on the floor that shouldn't be on the floor. I mean, that's about it. There's not going to be a whole huge transformation in there. I did vacuum that out and that feels a lot better. We got all the stuff that was on the tabletop put away. We're working on laundry and there is nothing on the floor. Last time we just had junk all over the floor. We couldn't even walk on these sides. So to have the floor clear of anything, massive improvement. And I will say this every day of my life that I own a Betty's. You need a Betty's if you want to help keep your room clean, especially in a tight space, bunk bed, whatever. Betty's is the only way to go. Already returns. Yikes. We're working our way through and it's like, okay, we got this room situated and I can't even walk out the door without it's just
try that.
it's, you know what, this is going to be easy to put away. This is all the bathroom stuff as long as I have some shelves.
We need
shelves
bins.
What's the word?
Shelves
Like
elves.
Okay, well, okay, here's how we've designated everything. Anything first aid related is going to go up here in the top shelf. I am so proud of myself for putting this thing together. Let me show you. I just got this on Amazon. I bought the case empty and then I filled it with things that I knew I would need, like these little patches that go over wounds that are clear and waterproof. Yeah, definitely probably gonna need something like that. And I only know this from experience, so this is a very experienced first aid kit that I've put together. Very excited. I'm excited to be prepared, not to use it.
It's not a matter of if, it's when.
It is. It really is. Lincoln came in this morning and he was like, Mom, I scuffed up my knee real bad. I'm like, oh, great. Anyway, just things that we need, like eye drops and then, just a bunch of things. Sunburn cream that works. It's magic. Basically, I'll put everything for this in the description. Every mom needs this. Okay, so anything first aid related, then this is going to be my shelf. I'm going to have all of my skincare, all of my makeup in this shelf. This is the kids' shelf. Olivia already has her things to the side. The boys literally just have a toothbrush and deodorant. So I want to get a basket for their stuff right here, very accessible. And then this is all of our no-seum accessories. So I also want to get a little basket for that. So we have on our grocery list to get two baskets. And then...
Do you know what size you want?
Well, we need to.
Measure.
Yeah.
Measure tape.
And then all of our hair stuff. This is kind of a nightmare. We need a basket for it as well. And then we have an empty shelf. Hallelujah.
Well, that's such a crummy shelf to get
It
into.
is.
It's like last resort shelf.
Yeah. We should probably put the toilet paper down there. That's what we'll do.
You know, because then if you're on the toilet, you can't. No, this is good because you'll be able to see it. From there, you can't see it, so you think you're
All right.
up
SOL.
Crab Creek.
Yeah, all right. We have everything unpacked, everything in the shelves, and whatever we need as far as baskets go, we have on the way. And we can do it all with everything being off the counter. And for me, that feels really good. If I have a bunch of stuff on the counter, I'm feeling a little like cluttery, overwhelmed. So I feel really good about that. I'm in love with our towels. These are from Geometry, which I use in the kitchen. I thought I hated in the bathroom because they're so thin. They are literally ideal for an Airbnb or an RV because they are so small. They take up like no space at all, and the prints are so cute and they dry so stinking well. Anyway, I'm kind of a diehard for these towels as well, and I do have a discount code. So I will say, of all my discount codes, this is probably one of the most used because they are just phenomenal and people know it. They know they're so good. We're 2 rooms down. We're still doing more laundry, which is phenomenal. Floors are cleared. I wonder if we have like, what can hold the door open besides a water bottle?
Well, it may be tilted enough to.
I think we are tilted enough that we don't need that.
We may
I
be all right.
think we are. Let's put the water bottle away. That's great. And the bathroom is done. I don't want to go on. Actually, yes, I do. This is really fun. It's a little cool outside, so we've got the doors open, the windows open. It's not hot at all. You can see the ocean back there a little. Well, it's kind of hard to see. But it's there and I know it. Anyway, my whole point was to say that it feels really nice with a nice cool breeze coming through. I'm sure you guys are starving, so I'll start on lunch. This room, wow. So we're gonna start in here, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Cody, if you'll take that out to the
Yikes.
patio.
I'll just let you guys do it. I'll make lunch. And you know what is so sad? We brought our Dyson vacuum, but we didn't bring the charger because it's nailed up on the wall. So we were like, oh, we'll just take our Dyson mop cord because it's not mounted to the wall, thinking that they were transferable. They're not. They're not transferable, and I can't even use this thing. And so I went to order the part. They're out of stock. I know that is such a pain. I hope you think it's worth it.
I do.
I love having this bike. I'm so thrilled.
Yeah.
I'm
love
so
having
sorry it's such a pain.
Well, it's worth it keeping it nice in here rather than beat pieces on the.
Oh, yeah. I hate how rusty everything gets out in the salty air, especially right next to the ocean, but... Okay, we can stop it. I wanted to show how beautiful the sandwiches look. Don't those look just delish with like a friggin'... What is this, a wad of lettuce? What would you call this?
But the good thing is, now the fridge smells like it.
Smells like what?
The
lunch meat?
Yeah.
We shredded fresh cheese, and so we loaded the sandwiches up with nice slices of cheese.
Okay.
Well, I just brought up this. I don't know what it is. Maybe 5 minutes ago. I just got up this, and I had another one of these yesterday. I think it's just like scraps. I don't know what this is.
a C-clamp. It's a C-clamp.
Yeah. And then my first cast, I brought up a pair of sunglasses, which is pretty sweet.
Some treasures.
Yep. Magnets bringing up all sorts of things.
What do you think of those sunglasses? Are they pretty nice?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, they look just like yours.
Look, can I look at them?
Sure.
I'll tell you what they are.
Is it recording?
Yep.
Oh, I got 2 screws.
Nice.
It's cool.
I'm gonna go bring that back to Dad.
Look at his stuff. Found a C-clamp, sunglasses, a rock, and a metal pipe. I think it's already showed everything, so then. Feel that, like, what? I don't think it's anything. Pull it up. Oh, you got some. Looks like another rock. Well, it's usually something covered in like stuff. Barnacle. Ew, like, huh? I don't know what it is. It's another rock. What do you do when you're done? When you done doing it, everything? Well, I kind of get one of the hoses, get all the like dirt off the dock, and then I throw away the awful stuff. Then what do you do with the stuff you want to keep? I'm gonna keep the glasses. I don't know. I don't know about the sea clamp, but I'm probably clean enough.
I am feeling pretty good about this. You can tell by where the sun is coming in the west that we've been in here all day, but we've been taking our time and it's been fabulous. We still have stuff like this lined up, but that's just where it's gonna go because I don't have room for it anywhere else. So it's totally fine. We're just not gonna look at it. We'll just dust under it and around it and we'll be totally fine, just like we are now, huh, lady? Gosh, it feels so good to get things wiped up and dusted and all of that. Kids' room is still a work in progress, but it's an organized work in progress. Each kid has a bag, and as soon as these are gone, which they will be soon enough, this is our solar that Joel is putting in, then we're gonna get 4 totes, and they can be for good sized totes, and we will have the kids' clothes up here. Then they'll have some open cabinet space. It'll be great. I cleared off my camera from the last like 3 vlogs. That took a handful of time while Joel got everything out here. There's like onesie twosie little things, but considering what was out here earlier, we're in some pretty good shape. We're both starving. The kids are starving and I am not about to pull everything out to make dinner, which is what I planned on doing. We're not doing that. No, we're not. You see Bossy over there? He got his magnet fish. He got his magnet fishing pole, I guess, stuck. And oh, I can see him. He's so frustrated. What a handsome guy. I bet he is so relieved to see Joel coming over to him because he just knows that Dad's going to be able to get that thing out. I hope he's going to be able to get that thing out. He's been able to, I don't know if he showed or not, but he got a pair of glasses with chums. Got them all cleaned up and he's been wearing them all day. Hey Dad, can you get this unstuck for me? Or can we just take this in for just a second? I've been inside all day. It's been really cold, but it feels pretty good out. It's a little chilly tonight, but it feels so good to be back. Poor Bossy. It's because that magnet is so dang strong.
It's because you're getting the whole bite of the magnet.
Wow. You may have to snorkel down there and pull it off.
I don't think you'd be able to.
You don't think? Well, someone just made a little splash. What's that guy doing out there? He dove in for something.
Yeah, he gets fish. I've
Yeah.
seen him with a fish.
Have you really?
Yeah. He dived down into the school of fish and got one. I can see it sticking out.
Nice.
Boston's magnet is still stuck, and I am not sure how to get this thing off. That's a very powerful magnet, and this perimeter is all steel plate that they like slide down like little shovels, and it creates a pool kind of area, this whole area. So it's good iron steel that just sticks perfectly to a magnet. So it's the strong magnet, the worst kind of steel to stick to, or at least I guess the best magnetizable steel, and we have to yank it off there. It is just not coming.
I can feel the shovel magnetizing to it.
What? Okay.
Okay, come.
Okay, go pull it up. Oh, yes, Queen. How did you do that? Oh, that's so cool.
Use my brain powers.
Thank you.
You got it. I was able to get the shovel to sit right in here and pry against it and pop it off. But if I wouldn't have been able to pull it up last night,
Yeah.
there's no way that thing was coming out. Zero chance.
Because like
Just-
the shovel barely touched
Yeah,
it.
barely touched it. I wouldn't have reached it.